Guys throwing a lot of punches. My own equipment. The winner goes to...
What you're seeing in the ring is our best-selling humanoid robot, Unitree G1. As you can see, it has human-like movements, and it can also dance, do kung fu moves, and as you can see, it's kickboxing right now in the ring.
Combo punches thrown.
Having robots in factories and households and helping people do the boring, dirty, and dangerous jobs is definitely our end goal, but it's gonna take some time to get over there.
Atlas is designed to be an industrial robot. We're building a robot that is flexible enough to do many jobs from dock door to dock door in a facility. The point of Atlas is to be general purpose long term, and so Atlas can learn over time how to do all kinds of different tasks. Here today, we're showing Atlas doing an automotive task first. We're showing it doing sequencing, which is a task that's done in logistics facilities in automotive plants. Atlas is putting parts in the order in which cars will be assembled so that the assembly line can work faster and be more reliable so that the cars that are produced are more and more reliable as they get out the door. AI has enabled us to go from bespoke training for individual tasks to being able to teach the robot how to learn and have more sort of onboard intelligence in the robot from day one. So the process of going from unboxing the robot to getting it to do valuable work is much, much faster than it used to be. And because we're not doing that bespoke engineering to train the robot on how to do a task, we're able to actually open up the door a lot more quickly on the types of work that Atlas can do, which is why there's so much hype and excitement. Like seeing a robot do a cartwheel is really cool, but what you're actually seeing when you see a robot do a cartwheel is you're seeing how AI is enabling us to teach robots to do things that we've just never been able to teach them to do before.
Our first focus in industrial, and we already have signed around 25,000 pre-orders from retail, warehouses, automotive industry, oil and gas, and this is like a huge labor shortages and like a lot of like millions of essential jobs like remain unfulfilled, and young people don't want to work in warehouses with this boring repetitive stuff, and this is work for robots, not for humans. And we have like millions of this type of work.
Hey there, I am Aria from Robotic.
There's been a convergence in technology. We've had AI for a few years, and we've had sort of what I would call unintelligent robots for many years. And now they finally have sort of combined those technologies where you get what we're presenting, which is an AI-powered humanoid robot.
And occasionally causing existential crises for humans. Every selfie. I can show you my fear expression.
We're very different. We have a very different philosophy. Our robots are not meant to replace physical human labor. They're meant for human interaction. So customer service, entertainment, and companionship. And for that, we want robots that look very human and not like cyborgs.
Many of these robots, what we see here, they cannot actually do useful things. They can dance, they can kickbox, they can do flip backs, yeah. But manipulation is one of the grand challenges of robotics, and they have to learn how to manipulate. And this is one of the crucial challenges in this area. In addition, of course, to safety. Nobody is talking about the safety of the use of humanoid robots, for example, in collaboration with humans in manufacturing or at home. And finally, maybe really the architecture, the cognitive architecture for this kind of embodied AI which integrates body, mind, and interaction with the environment. And this is what we are still missing.